How to know who viewed your WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open WhatsApp application on your device. Now, if you want to see who viewed your WhatsApp status, then there are a few conditions that has to be met. Firstly, you have to make sure that you have enabled read receipts. Your status viewers will only appear if read receipts are turned on in your privacy settings, and if this is off, then viewer names will not be shown. So go ahead and firstly tap on the settings option you see there and then tap on the privacy option and further scroll down and you will see the toggle button for read receipts. Go ahead and enable the read receipts toggle button and now go back to the updates tab and then tap on your status and then tap on the eye icon you see there, or you can also swipe up on the eye icon and you will be able to view the viewers and the counts. So if read receipts were disabled at the time someone viewed your status, then they will not be listed even if you enable the feature later. So this is how you know who viewed your WhatsApp status. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.